Hi Queens, we're here at US Beauty Mart here on Terra Boulevard, and it is hot out here in the ATL, you guys. It is super, super hot. And I'm in here looking for some short crochet braid hair, some gray hair for some of my clients. And I'm also looking for some, and they probably don't have it, but the Kima Braid Wind Wave 1B27. Okay, you guys, let's go in. I am already sweating. It is so hot out here. All right, here we go. Okay, you guys, normally when you come in here, they always have these boxes out here that are for sale. Okay, you guys, this is one of my favorite stores when it comes to crochet braid. This store, to me, it goes on for miles and miles. And they have so many great crochet braid curl patterns to pick from. Looks like they moved it around just a little bit, but here is some more crochet braid by Mady or Mady. And of course, they have the long length modern soft block 28-inch. That's pretty. And I'm looking at this Bohemian box braid 12-inch. That's really pretty. Okay, y'all, might have to pick me up some Bohemian box braids 12-inch. And they have it in 2T, T30. And that T copper is pretty. That's like really pretty for the winter time. No, that could be summer. This one would be really pretty for the winter. It's the T530. That's pretty. And then they have the longer down here, which is the 18-inch. And that's very pretty too. Yeah, I can stay in here all day looking at this hair. But I have afternoon clients, so I'm just gonna give you a little tidbit. Now I like this too. For silver, one of my clients, this is pretty. Boho Goddess 20-inch times 3. And I would get like 5 packs of this. This is really pretty, and this is going for $10.99. But that is really pretty. I like that. Boho Goddess locks. That's really pretty. And then they got the passion twist. Okay, y'all, I didn't come in here for this. Ooh, look at this. That's pretty. Okay, I see. I'm gonna get in trouble. Get myself in trouble. You guys, look what I stumbled upon. This is so cute. Look at this. This is Easy Braid Toxic Free. Okay. I have never seen that. Okay. This is a 1B900. Okay, I am getting schooled today. I have never seen the T1B900. That is pretty. It's got that color on the end of it. That is pretty. This is my favorite store. I absolutely love this store. Look at this. I'm doing like a 360. Look at this. Faux lock, faux lock, faux lock. Faux lock heaven. Look at this. Look at this. It goes all the way down there. Look at that. That's ridiculous because of course they have the wigs, but we're concentrating on the crochet braid here. Look at that. This is craziness. Look at all this faux lock hair. I mean, it just goes on and on and on and on, and the beat won't stop. Look at that. Crazy. And queens, if you want long length, they've got it. This right here is 34. Then we have 26, 30, 18. I think 34 is the longest that I see. The only thing is they don't have Kima braid, because I use that a lot, and they have pretty much most of the hair you're looking for. Most of the brands you're looking for, they just don't have Kima braid brand. They have everything else. Most of what you're looking for, they do have, but Kima braid hair, they don't have it. Here is the junior section for all of the hair that is 6-inch, 8 and 10. So here is the hair that I absolutely love. If I could wear it for the rest of my life, I would. This is the twist rod 6-inch 1B. And you need about 8 packs of this, but this hair is so pretty. This hair is so pretty, and it's $5 a pack. And this is one of my favorite hair. Durable, long-lasting, easy maintenance. Now they have the bounce and bounce. I haven't tried this one, but this one looks like it might be a little frizzy. Yeah, I haven't tried, but it's pretty. And they also have the twist rod in different colors. It's a 27. Ooh, look at here. Oh wow, they got the 99J. Oh, that's so pretty. That's like you can see that color. It's like a deep plum. Oh, that's so pretty. I might rock that for the fall. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, you guys, they have, this is pretty too, wavy Bahama locks. That's pretty. And look at that little curl at the bottom. 99J in that one as well. This is the 3-time kid single-ease twist with curls, 8-inch. See, in the silver, well, I guess in the kids section. They wouldn't be trying to have gray or silver. Okay, this is pretty. The kids Bona lock, 8 inches. Here's 8 inches. Okay, so you guys, if you want that short look, this is 6-inch. This is 8 inches. Okay, all of this here, 8 inches. Okay, queens, here is another curl pattern for short hair. This is the spring coil. And this is nice. I like this because you probably only need 2 packs of this hair to do it for you. And this is pretty. And they have it, of course, in 27, 1B, and 2. So it comes in a lot of different colors. And queens, here is the Bob Spring Twist 6-inch, 3 times 36. So with this hair, I would probably get, because there's not a lot of hair, even though it says 3 times, there really is not a lot of hair in here. 369. I probably get 5 packs just to be on the safe side for this installation. But I do like it, and of course it comes in a ton of beautiful colors. Again, here's a 1B, T1B 118. Okay, y'all. All right, that is pretty. Okay, T1B 118. That's new to me. Very pretty. Okay, queens, I have found my next install, and that will be the new hair reveal. So you guys stay tuned for that. That video is going to come up soon. And I was just starting to grab the hair and show you guys what I was getting, but I said, oh my God, let me do that for my new hair reveal. So this hair that I'm picking up will be for the next new hair reveal. I am super excited.